Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about one real-time issue that is raised by business. So what happened generally, this tick mark company code is productive. So this tick mark generally once system goes live in the production system, and once data is loaded, data migration is done, transaction data, everything is loaded, then only we come back in the development system and we make it tick, we tick it, and then we move to the production system. Okay, because if you tick this one you cannot reset the data, therefore in the beginning only we do not tick this one. So until unless we complete our data migration in the production system, we don't tick this. So once data is loaded, every sign off is received from the business, the data is loaded correctly, then we come back to the development system, we tick it and move the changes to the production system. So what happened, one guy, instead of ticking this, mistakenly he ticked this one. Okay, the consultant, instead of ticking this one, mistakenly it got ticked this one. Now if it got ticked this one, then this company code is not appearing now in the drop down. This company code is not appearing in the drop down during the document posting time. Okay, and you know that whenever you have done the recently implementation and company codes are completely new to the business, they want in the drop down. So he immediately realized that this company code is not appearing in the drop down. So let's say you go any T code, 50, 60, wherever. So here it is not appearing in the drop down. This company code, this is TM99. So come here and check it here, TM99. Okay, TM double nine, TM double nine. So TM double nine, see it is not appearing. So TM double nine is not appearing. Okay, it is TM 89. This is different. So TM 99 is not appearing. So ticket is raised. Hypercare ticket is raised to us. Now we told that okay. So what we'll do? We'll reverse these changes. We'll untick and then move the changes to the production. But business is telling that no, let us not make changes here. If you make changes again, it will start appearing for all the users in the drop down this company code. Rather than give a solution, if there is any way, is there any way to responsible users only this company code should appear. Let's say ABC user only responsible for this one. So ABC user only going to post, or let's say 10 users or 15 users are only going to post in this company code. Or let's say Indian users, since this company belongs to India, only Indian users should be able to post for this company code. Remaining all other users from other countries should not be able to post in this one, or not able to post in a sense, should not appear to them. Okay, for other users this company code should not appear in the drop down for other users other than Indian users. Okay, sorry, it is not you are not restricted from the posting point of view, but it will not appear in the drop down. Okay, for other users, so be careful. So business is telling that for Indian users this company code should appear in the drop down. For other users other than Indian users, it should not appear. Okay, so what you have to do for this, finally it went to the basis team. Okay, if there is any chances the basis team can handle it from the role or something. So basis team came up with one solution. Okay, so the solution is that go to SC01 T code and give those users which are for whom this company code should appear in the drop down. Okay, this company code should appear in the drop down. Now give that user, let's say for this user it should appear in the drop down. So give the username, go to change mode, go to parameters, and go here and give the this one parameter you have to tick. So it is something with that parameter f underscore show underscore up show. obsolete. Okay, underscore T001, I think. Enter. Okay, so this is the parameter you have to enter in the user ID. Okay, for this user ID, this is the parameter you have to enter, and you have to put X here. Now for this user, now only for this user it will appear TM99 in the drop down. Okay, for other user it will not appear. Similarly, to whichever user you will do this setting, it will appear TM99 in the drop down only for those users. Okay, so save it. Now go and check it here. Check TM99 is appearing or not. TM99, see, it is appearing now. So TM99 is appearing now. Okay, so this way you can handle this ticket. Okay, so now only it will appear those user for which user you have made these changes. For other user it will not appear, but if you make the changes from here, then it will appear for all the users. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Please like, subscribe the channel. This is the channel where you can learn the real time scenarios. Thank you so much.